Welcome to the first unit of Introducing Online Entrepreneurship, Social Entrepreneurship in a Green Business Context module, which aims to equip young people interested in exploring online and social entrepreneurship avenues to develop their environmental business idea with the appropriate knowledge and skill they will need to succeed. In this unit, you'll gain an introduction to online entrepreneurship. To introduce this topic, this short video will highlight the environmental impact of online entrepreneurship and will also give an overview of what online entrepreneurship entails. In today's fast-changing business world, saving money while protecting the environment is very important. Let's start by learning what online entrepreneurship means in practice and what the ecological consequences of this type of entrepreneurship. Firstly, an online entrepreneurship is someone who conducts business via the internet. There are numerous types of online entrepreneur, from those who use it to supplement their income by selling craft to multi-millionaire CEO of the big tech giants. A green entrepreneur is a person who starts an entrepreneurial ventures with a commitment to protecting or enhancing the environment. These ventures are green by design, and all the products and processes that come out of that venture are also environmentally friendly and have little or no environmental impact as a result of the business operation. So, can these two be combined? Those two concepts, digital technology and environmental sustainability, often go together. In fact, without digital technology, it's hard for companies to reduce their carbon footprint or manage their waste. And at the same time, without a full understanding of sustainability, the energy drawn from technology can be wasted, and companies can produce a lot of e-waste or electronic waste, which is very harmful to the environment. Nowadays, online and traditional businesses increasingly recognize that we will not be able to address the ecological and social challenges that we face today without fundamental business model change and innovation. Bringing digital prowess and sustainable practice together should be at the forefront of strategic thinking for any businesses, as a way to differentiate itself and gain long-term viability among customers, regulators, and the community where the business operates. In fact, it may even be essential. In a report published in January 2018, PricewaterhouseCoopers identified 80 ways in which artificial intelligence technologies can be used to benefit the environment, including optimized energy system forecasting, demand response charging infrastructure in transportation, analytic and automation for smart urban planning, hyperlocal weather forecasting for crop management, and supply chain monitoring and transparency. In addition, Enevo, a Finnish company which makes devices for smart waste disposal, uses device that features embedded sensor and analytic software. They enable waste company to plan pickup when waste bins are full, rather than at a set time period, making collection of waste more efficient and reducing costs. Through the example, we can see that in practical terms, online solution and digital expertise along with sustainability, when properly combined, can bring myriad benefit. The opportunities are out here. Now that you have started digging deeper into the meaning of online entrepreneurship and how it can link well with environmental goals for your business, remember that if you want to become a successful environmental entrepreneur, you need to study more and devote some time into developing innovative ideas for your green business. One of that can have a great impact on the planet Earth. For that reason, we have prepared a series of additional learning resources and case study that can guide you through this challenging journey. Well done! Mission accomplished. Now you're one step closer to developing your online green business. To take the next step, it's time to start generating some ideas and planning for your business. And don't forget to keep the famous quote of Henry Ford: "Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success."